Hello friends, today in this tutorial we'll be discussing about exponents and powers. Basically, exponents are also known as powers or indices. The exponent of a number says how many times a number should be used in a multiplication. So example, I'll be considering a number 2 power 4. Means 2 should be used 4 times. This will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is again equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. If I am considering another number 4 power 2, this will be equal to 4 into 4, which gives you 16. So here I am using exponents and powers, or you can say as indices. Now we will be seeing upon the laws of exponents. There are various laws for solving exponents and powers. So laws of exponents. First basic law of exponent is a power m into a power n. This will be equal to a power m plus n. Here this a as well as this a represents the base. Here m as well as n represents powers. We are considering m here and here because both are different powers, whereas base is same for both. Now we'll be considering an example for this. One is 2 power 5 into 2 power 3. This will be equal to, here 2 and 2 are base, 5 and 3 are powers m, n. So here this will be equal to 2 power 5 plus 3. This will be equal to 2 power 8. So this is the simplification using first law. If I am considering one more example, I will be taking 3 power 4 into 3 power 2. This will be equal to 3 power 4 plus 2. This gives me 3 power 6. This is the expansion of first law. Now we will be discussing about second law. Second law of exponent is a power m divided by a power n will be equal to a power m minus n. If you are having division, we will be considering minus. Here also same, a are bases, m and n are powers. We will be taking an example for this. If I am considering 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3, I will be getting 2 power 5 minus 3. This will be equal to 2 power. This is the expansion using second law of exponents. One more example we will be considering. 4 power 4 divided by 4 power 2. This will be equal to 4 power 4 minus 2. This will be equal to 4 power 2. Now we will be discussing about third law. Third law of exponents is a power m whole power n will be equal to a power m into n. Means here both m and n are powers, a is the base. So considering an example, if I am considering 5 power 4 whole power 2, this will be equal to 5 power 4 into 2. This will be equal to 5 power 8. This is the expansion using third law of exponents. Now fourth law. Fourth law of exponents is a power 0 is equal to 1. Means any number power 0 will be equal to 1 always. So an example, if I am considering 16 power 0, this will be equal to 1. If I am considering 1000 power 0, this is also equal to 1. If I am considering 999 power 0, this will also be equal to 1. This is the simplification for fourth law of exponents. Now coming towards fifth law. Fifth law of exponents is a into b whole power m will be equal to a power m into b power m. Here we are taking two different bases. This is the first base, this is the second base. Here power is same for both the bases. So if I am considering 5 into 4 whole power 3. This will be equal to 5 power 3 into 4 power 3. This is the simple expansion for the fifth law of exponents. Now coming towards the last law of exponent, that is a divided by b whole power m will be equal to a power m divided by b power. Again here we are considering two different bases and a single power. Here again I will be considering same 5 divided by 4 whole power 3. This will be equal to 5 power 3 divided by 4 power 3 or 5 power 3 divided by 4 power 3. So these are the basic laws of exponents and their simplification.